Well, there you are. Good morning. So today's task is to go and get this year's 2026 America the Beautiful Pass. Where do we get it from? We get it from the shop in Red Rock Basin. However, first of all, we have to go up and through Calico Hills, and we're going to do that by going over Guardian Angel Pass, which is a class 3 scramble. I am travelling exceptionally light today with just my bum bag because I'm going to need arms, legs, head, teeth to get the job done up this class 3 scramble. So let's go. So I flew my drone along the route before I started, and so you go along and up Guardian Angel Pass, scrambling up all of those rocks you can see there, through the pass at the top, and then drop down into Red Rock Canyon proper. At the bottom you cross, go up the hill and across to the visitor centre, and then from the visitor centre then back down the bottom of the Calico Hills, through into Calico Basin and back to the car. Doesn't look much from here, does it? Let's reserve our opinion till we get up halfway up there. Okay, getting a bit closer now, you can start to see the scramble. You can also see the little ants up there, which are people working their way up. Okay, we've come to the point now where we need to put this away. Use both hands. Switch to metas. Just break out the phone camera for a second. There's Vegas in the distance there. There's the canyon, and then the pass and some others enjoying even more heights. I'm officially grading this as extreme fun. How amazing is this? This is what a class 3 scramble looks like. In case you're wondering, you hear me talk about it, we're doing it. That's so cool. Okay, who needs a selfie? You've got one of these.
Oh, you got the big stick.
We got the big stick.
You know what they say about guys with long selfie sticks?
I don't know, I'm videoing, so what do they say about guys with long selfies? What do they say about guys with long selfie sticks?
Hey, question answers itself.
There we go. Things we learn on these hikes, right? There we go.
That's right.
So here we are at the top of Guardian Angel Pass with my new friends who have stick envy.
Damn right we do.
Damn right they do. Well, I'm going to grade this as extreme fun.
This is one for the record books.
It is one.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
I do.
What's your UKROBL hikes?
There we
Nice.
go.
Okay.
Dude, thank you for the big stick advice. Appreciate that.
Let me take a picture of this so I remember.
There you go.
It's on YouTube?
Yeah. Bye now. Yes.
Yeah. Oh, of course. Yeah.
Okay. That was fun. Now, what goes up must go down. This is Saturday morning whole body gym workout because I'm going down on just 2 arms and hoping my legs will land eventually. That was the end of Guardian Angel Pass, and now it's time to walk back into the desert.
Oh, it extends, it folds, it extends out. And then we don't have to carry it all the time.
There we go. So that's the creek on the other side, Calico Basin. My new friends Richard and Zia here, who I rescued from the from the canyon, and are now following me to safety.
Lifesaver.
Life-saving things you do on the weekend.
Doesn't have the cape on it.
There we go. There you go. That was Richard and Z. Richard being American, Z being Italian. So if you're watching this back, it's great to meet you, and it's a pleasure to lead you out of the canyon. Anyway, on and up. That was the hard bit done, stopping for some water at the parking lot that's inside the scenic drive, the Calico Hills parking lot. Next stop, visitor centre. Okay, we did a little quick traverse down the circular scenic drive to Calico parking lot number 1. And now we're going to go into the hinterland a bit towards the gift shop and my pass. Again.
It's fry bread. It's Indian fry bread.
Indian fried bread.
It's made out of flour,
Uh-huh.
baking powder, water, and a little bit of salt.
Okay.
And then we fry it up in Crisco.
In Crisco.
Yes.
So what should I have? Peanut butter?
A lot of people love honey,
Okay, we're going to do
but
honey.
others love
You can
peanut
quarter
butter.
it.
Yeah.
It's like a topping, like pizza.
Like a
put it
pizza
on.
topping.
Oh boy, there we go. Look, we'll
Then
do
you
half
can
of that,
Powder on one side, and then you can put
and then we'll do some peanut
Yeah,
butter on the
peanut
other.
butter is
on the
amazing
one
on it.
side.
Ah,
Just like a topping. of
there you go. I
pizza.
wondered where my next meal was coming from. And there it
You're
is. Look.
perfect timing.
Oh my
Right?
goodness.
We're Navajo. Well, I'm
Navajo Nation, okay.
It's all different tribes.
Oh wow.
I'm probably the biggest one, and these guys are Colorado.
We're Hopi.
Hopi?
Yeah. And then
Wow.
she is actually
I'm Okanagan.
Okanagan.
From Canada, BC.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, here we
so
go
we're
then.
we're representing all over.
And I'm going to give that a 10 out of 10.
Awesome.
How about that? Well, look at that then. This is Indian fried bread from the Hopis and Navajo. And peanut butter, honey. Delicious. Well, I came for the America the Beautiful Pass here at the visitor centre, and I just met and am eating real America. What a great hike this is turning into. Not only is it spectacular, but it's delicious. treat, wasn't it? And it was a pleasure to be able to donate also to the Navajo Nation in their collection box, which I did. So, turns out the America the Beautiful passes aren't at the visitor centre, they are at the gate. So, all good for the steps, I guess.
Just need for you to put your name right across there.
Yep. There we go. Now a proud owner for another year of an America the Beautiful pass, or shall I say America the Beautiful, with the first and the current president on the 250th anniversary of the United States. Final leg now to get back to the other side of the Calico Hills again and to the car. What an epic adventure, with all sorts of adventures in the middle. Okay, descend down into the valley and then up the other side, down the other side, and then along Calico Basin. Over there is where we walk into and come out of many times, but I think today we'll take just a slightly different route, so we can look down into the depression here. It's all great, every route is great. Okay, nearly down into the bottom of this one, and then we're going to go and scale up the next one. Okay, the trick for 45-degree hills like this is just slow and steady wins the race. Okay, one up, now one down. Well, I can see the car. Okay, now then, through the parking lot and out the other side. Well, there you have it. That was Golden Angel Pass, just to get an America the Beautiful pass as well. Mission accomplished. That's it. Give the hike a like. Thank you to all the people that I spoke to along the way. If you follow us now, please like and subscribe. And thank you to my friends over at the Navajo Nation. Remarkable. That's it. You have been watching. Like and subscribe. Give the hike a like. Cue music. Bye for now.
Give the
hike a like.
Okay, take two. Do it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Give the hike a like. I forgot what the line.